Gonna be a video presentation on another little project I've been wanting to get done. I'll let it speak for itself. Start my own media content publication company with a little added script. It'll take the text to read, text to audio a minute to generate.
Hello DeepSeek. So I'm currently also going to start a media content company, can generate all government grants, costs of doing business, tax write-offs, tax deductions, asset protection LLC structure for this. So one of the first videos is going to be AI instructional video. The scene is an avatar female teacher with an AI-centric name. She doing an instructional video on how to do software development with AI. These are 3 screens and a 4th one that's like a pop-up window as she is speaking on the main points. The other 2 screens are actual ID SDK code editors. She starts with explain how a request from the client to the server and back looks in the code editors. They are highlighting the code in real time as each code snippet is activated from the on-click in the input box to search through the website through the videos database to the desired video, which is her video. That video starts to play and these code editors display and highlights each code snippet in folders. File structures are highlighted and explained. Excellent vision. This is a fantastic and highly marketable concept. The intersection of AI education, dynamic visual presentation, and software development is a goldmine. Let's break down your entire plan into an actionable blueprint, covering the business foundation, financial tax strategies, and the production plan for your first video. Part 1. Business structure, asset protection, and tax strategy. This is the critical, unsexy foundation that will save you thousands and protect you personally. 1. LLC structure, the how. Entity type, form a limited liability company, LLC. This is non-negotiable for asset protection. It separates your personal assets, home, car, personal savings from your business liabilities. Formation. File the articles of organization with your state, usually the Secretary of State's office. You can do it yourself or use a service like LegalZoom or Northwest Registered Agent. Operating agreement. This is critical. Even if you're a single member, draft an operating agreement. It proves to the IRS and courts that you are running a legitimate business and not a hobby. It outlines ownership, profit loss distribution, and procedures. EIN. Get an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS for free on their website. Use this for business banking, not your social security number. Business bank account. Open a dedicated business checking account. Never commingle personal and business funds. This is the number 1 rule for maintaining your liability protection. 2. Asset protection, the why. The LLC creates a corporate veil. If your business is sued, e.g., for copyright infringement, a client claims your bad advice cost them money, only the assets inside the LLC are at risk. Your personal assets are shielded. 3. Government grants. This is tricky but worth investigating. Grants are not typically handed out to start a for-profit video company. However, you can target specific niches. SBIR STTR grants. If your AI instructional content is tied to specific, innovative R&D, you might qualify. This is a long shot for pure content creation. State and local economic development grants. Some states, cities offer grants for tech startups or digital media companies that create jobs. Search for your state economic development grant digital media. Industry-specific grants. Look for grants from tech foundations or organizations promoting STEM education. Better bet. Focus on deductions and write-offs to reduce your tax burden to 0 in the early, loss-making years. 4. Tax deductions and write-offs, the goldmine. As a legitimate business, you can deduct ordinary and necessary expenses. Keep every receipt. Home office deduction. If you have a dedicated space for your business, you can deduct a portion of your rent, mortgage, utilities, and internet. Equipment. Computers, monitors, microphones, cameras, lighting, green screens. You can often deduct the full cost in the first year using Section 179 or bonus depreciation. Software and subscriptions. This is a huge one for you. AI software, ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney for avatar creation, etc. Video editing, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve. Code editors and IDE's JetBrains Suite, VS Code subscriptions. Cloud services, Oz, Google Cloud for hosting. Project management tools. Education, courses on video production, AI, marketing, and software development that improve your skills for this business. Marketing and advertising, costs for running ads on YouTube, Google, or social media. Professional services, fees for your accountant, lawyer, or a business consultant. Crucial next step, open a separate business savings account and start putting 25-30% of all revenue into it for quarterly estimated tax payments. Part 2, production plan for your AI instructional video. This is a technically complex but visually impressive video idea. Here's how to execute it. Step 1, the script and storyboard, the blueprint. You cannot wing this. The script must be meticulously timed with the visual events. Script, write the teacher's dialogue verbatim. Mark precise timestamps for every action. Example, 0:100 to 0:30 introduction. 0:31 let's start with the user's click. Cue, monitor 1 highlights on-click event in HTML. Storyboard, sketch the 4-screen layout for each major scene. Define exactly what code will be shown, what will be highlighted, and what the avatar is doing. Step 2, avatar creation, the teacher. AI tools, use platforms like Synthesia, HeyGen, or Real.io. They specialize in creating AI avatars from a script. You provide the script, choose an avatar. They have many professional looking ones, and it generates the video of her speaking. AI-centric name. Excellent idea. Think Aura, Nova, Sage, Lexa, Vega, Iris. Hello, I'm Lexa, and welcome to the future of software development. Step 3. The technical execution, the magic. This is the most challenging part. You have two main approaches. Approach A. The faked, real-time, recommended, and most feasible. You pre-render all the code animations. 1. Record your screens. Use a code editor. VS Code is perfect with a theme like Dark Plus or OneDark Pro for high contrast. 2. Animate the code. Use a tool like Backquote, a VS Code extension, or a screen recorder that allows you to zoom and highlight. Manually type the code or use a typewriter effect plugin. Use the cursor to highlight specific lines. On-click function, API route, database query as the avatar mentions them. 3. Create the multi-screen effect. Do this in your video editor, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Final Cut. Track 1 background, a clean, techie background. Track 2 main, the avatar teacher. Track 3 and 4 monitors 2 and 3 place the pre-recorded code editor videos on virtual screens behind her. Track 5 pop-up for the video player. Simply have a browser window pop into view and play the sample video. Approach B, the fully live, simulation advanced. This involves custom scripting for a real-time feel, but it's often more work for the same visual result. Step 4, production and post-production. Voice. The AI avatar platforms will have built-in, high-quality AI voices. Pick one that matches the teacher's persona. You can also hire a voice actor on Fiverr, Upwork, and sync the avatar's mouth using the same tools. Sound design. Add subtle key press sounds, UI swooshes for highlights, and a background ambient track. This is 50% of the professional feel. Editing. Cut tightly to the script. Use smooth transitions between code concepts. Add lower thirds, e.g., Step 1, User Event, for clarity. -- Recommended tech stack and cost breakdown, startup. Category tool, service estimated cost, startup. Business LLC filing fee $50 minus $500, varies by state. Business registered agent, optional first year, $100 minus $300 per year. Avatar Synthesia, HeyGen, monthly subscription, $30 minus $100 per month. Code editor VS Code, free, $0. Video editing DaVinci Resolve, free, $0. Screen Rec OBS Studio, free, $0. Graphics Canva Pro, $120 per year. Sound Epidemic Sound, royalty-free music, $15 per month. Hosting YouTube channel, free, $0. Total initial outlay, $200 minus $1,000. You are on to a winning idea. By building a solid business foundation and executing this production plan, you'll create a professional, authoritative, and highly valuable content series. Good luck.
I was going to have it write out a script. I'll come back and do another video later. I wanted it to generate an actual script for the tutorial video. I just noticed it didn't even it didn't write out the script. It's supposed to be scene 1, act 1, all the way through scene 10, act 10, all that. On the next video. Anybody's interested in financing, provide me with financial compensation funding on these projects, you can contact me. That's my email up there, KendallJordan63@gmail.com.